Hey guys, what's happening? How to repost Facebook story. So if you want to repost someone else's story, what you're gonna do, go ahead and open up their story, right? And click the three dots next to their name, and then you're gonna see a pop-up window full of options. Go ahead and click share this story, and then you're gonna be able to see the option to share it to your Instagram story. To your Facebook story, right? And then you're gonna be able to edit it and add the music or whatever. But if you want to repost your own Facebook post to your own story, what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead and click the menu, because I don't have someone currently posting story, so I cannot actually show you the pragmatic steps. But alternatively, you can also repost your own Facebook post. Click the menu, click your name, right? The same process. You're gonna find your post, click share, right? And just like the Instagram options, you're gonna be able to find the option to share to your story, right? You can share it across social media. Obviously, you can hit share right here and copy the link, right, and add it to your story. Or you can just go ahead and click share this, right? You can find the option right here, your story, and add it to your story immediately, right? And you can modify it and add it whatever. The same goes for other people's story, right? Click share, you're gonna find the option to add it to your story, or copy the link and add it as a link to your story, right? If you want to know how to do that, just go ahead and hit share your story, then same tools, just go ahead and hit the stickers at the top, hit link, and add the link for this, right? And you can test the link to show you the post, alright, and hit add. As you can see, you can modify it and you can place it wherever. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.